I often talk about California, make fun of California as a California native, and I've lived here, 63 of my 65 years. I feel entitled to make fun of the state that I see making so many mistakes, but more so when other states compete with California for the title of stupid policies. And one of the latest entrants in the attempt to out California is Colorado. They passed a law recently called the Right of Refusal on properties. And this is a case where the state is not only going to ask for the right to buy 5-unit and up properties that are in escrow, but even has more onerous for 15-unit and up properties, where you need to list the property with the state, give them a chance to bid, you get under contract, and the state has a chance to overbid. So you can imagine as a buyer, how much work would you do on a property as far as due diligence, inspections, environmental reports? How much money would you spend knowing that if you find a good deal, you have to tell the state how much you're paying, and the state has the chance to match that or go higher? Of course, the state's not paying for it out of its pocket. The bureaucrat obviously wants more power. So you're going to see the states being overly aggressive. There's no incentive to manage less properties. There's only incentives to have more, because that creates more raises and promotion opportunities for the state bureaucrats. And so you can just imagine what a mess this is going to be. So stay tuned. I'm on record now on this one going forward, but I would say that this is probably, not only is it going to be a disaster, but before it's a disaster, it's going to be copied by many other states who think, well, what could be wrong with the state competing with tax-paying citizens for property? How could that possibly go wrong? And I think we'll find out how.